Alright guys, we're here at autocross. You can tell it's kind of snowing a little bit. And as you'll see, I'll cut to this clip real quick of this morning when I was starting to drive out here from Logan. Alright guys, we're headed out to autocross right now. I'm not starting out the video in traditional way because you can't see my face. But as you can see right now in Logan, it's snowing. So this is your surprise test on how the RS Pro is going to do in snow. So if we make it to autocross, you know they're good. We're back from that clip. So as you can see here, it's still coming down a little bit. It's warm enough that it's actually melting when it hits the ground, so it's not a safety concern. It's getting wet here. But on not asphalt, that's what the snow looks like. So this is either, I think this is more of a rally cross right now than anything else. We'll see how it goes. The asphalt's staying just kind of wet but not deep, so that's also good. We are running first right now, so I'm going over to get the Integra. I'm pretty freaking cold. So we got competition today. Here's our competition. I remember this car when I first started coming out to autocross. This car would kick ass and I think do like stupid fast times. So they brought it back out. They've been driving their Porsche all season, but they brought that car back out. I may have a chance against them because they are running a hand-cooked R compound. I think it's like 100 tread wear or something. I'll put a little picture right here of what the tire is. And I'm on a 200 tread wear compound, so I might actually have a chance just because of the conditions today. So anyway, Integra's here. We got the Type R, the Volkswagen Type R, and well, let's get up to the line. All right, so I guess we get to see how these RS Pros do in the water. So this is gonna be a good test today. I'm gonna set the pressure pretty low for this guy. It's hard to record and do this. So we're at like 34. We're gonna go to like 25 all around. So we're gonna get pretty low. I'm just gonna light up first gear, try to get some heat.
Oh, yeah. Talk away!
Oh, right there. Yeah, we're gonna be rally driving today. No ABS, no ABS, no ABS. Oh, so close. Let's try left. Kept it on course. Woo! Oh, my GoPro moved. How'd that happen? Sorry, viewers, that might have looked like crap. Alright guys, so we just finished my run. Joel's going up for his run. I'm gonna be his co-driver. It looks like the snow's stopping, so that's good. So we just have a wet course to work against. So I don't know what the time is yet. I probably already put it up in text, but it's pretty slippery out there. Like, watch this Miata right here. Just keep an eye on it. All right, it's going. All right. Okay, they're keeping it smooth. They're keeping it smooth this time. Oh, a little understeer actually. Okay. All right, all right. I'm waiting for the action shot. Here comes the Miata here. Oh. Oh, they kept it pretty smooth. All right. Beating us in the Mazda Speed 3. She got a 2-second flat run, so we've got a little bit of competition ahead of us. Here we got a little RC car coming by. A nice Traxxas RC car. Looks like a Rustler, I think. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that grip. Jeez. It's all about smooth driving today, and that's not what I'm doing. Nice. That felt good. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Is that just the brakes getting any water in them, I'm thinking?
They're just driving off whatever sideways. Feel okay.
Weird. Okay.
It's like when you got sideways, it was complaining.
I wonder if the tire's just rubbing.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I did a 67 something, but I'm actually fastest time of the day right now. I'm holding FTD. So Joel's now gonna go for second place in FTD, and then we'll just battle there. I've never had FTD before, so I'm gonna hold on to this. George isn't happy. Said you did a shitty job. Now I gotta come out here and fix the course you broke. Yep. Up there. Oh, I hit that cone.
I'm not saying nothing. Heel toe practice at
60,
the end.
Man, I'm not sure if that cone. Oh, that was definitely a hit.
Yeah.
But 67.2, that's faster than the Tesla. I got this.
So you were 0.8?
I was 0.6, he was 0.5.
Okay, okay.
All right, guys. Wow, my hair's a mess. Jeez. We got beat. We're in second place, fastest time. That Tesla right over there, that guy, beat me by a 10th. So I lowered the tire pressure down to 25 hot now. Hot, yeah. It came up to 28 after those few runs. Brought it back down to 25, see if we can get some more corner exit traction, because that's what the Tesla has. So the battle is on. I think this might be battle against the Tesla. We'll see how tight we are through the day. 66.5. I think I beat the Tesla by 10 tenths. All right, guys, we just finished the first run group. I beat that Tesla. I think I said somewhere in the video I did it by a 10th. I actually did it by a second and a tenth, so I'm back in second and back in second. This Subaru right here is now fastest time of the day. I'm second place FTD. So Joe over here, what'd you end up doing your fastest time? 65?
65, yeah.
65. Okay, so I'm at 66. So the battle's on now.
Yeah.
The battle is on.
I validate.
I got 60 on my last run.
I'm in second run. I'm in second raw. So now we're gonna. Well, we'll see what happens in the second run group. But we might be battling for fastest time of the day today.
Well, let's go for that, man.
That feels cool to say. I've never done that before. All right, guys. So it kind of worked great. We're about to go to lunch right now. We're not going up for our runs just yet. We're going to lunch. But talking to everyone smoked my time because it's dry now. Like the asphalt's getting dry. So there goes my chance at fastest time of the day. Maybe I'll have a chance later. We'll see. But I think the rain was giving me a massive advantage. So hopefully it stays dry and kind of see how the course flows with a dry course. But even Ed's beating me. He's beating me. He's doing really good. He's been getting a lot better the more it comes out. Anyway, we're going to go for our dry runs now. For us. Oh, 60.3, wow. On cold tires still.
I think it's got another second in her.
Oh yeah. 60.3, that's a really good time. What, I shaved off 5-6 seconds? Yeah, 6.5.
Easy.
That corner where that car just came through?
Yeah.
I'm not sure, I was looking at my mirror, I was lighting up the inside tire. It made a cloud of smoke.
But I think you got everything right going into it. Like you said, you hang that left and just come straight down that hill.
That's a really cool contrast I just experienced. You'll see right now. Yeah. Going from getting used to it in the rain and then all of a sudden having all this grip. It's good practice. That's like really good setup to learn the course. Okay. You learned it in crappy conditions. When given good conditions, you can really take advantage of it. Whoop. There you go. So yeah, became 10th raw right now. So let's see if we can bring that time down again. 10th place raw.
Second off. I think Ed liked the show.
That felt really good.
You're definitely, yeah, this is like LSD. It's like, here's an inside tire, here's an inside tire, here's an inside tire.
All right, going back up for my third run. Right now I'm at a 59.3 and I'm at 8th place raw. Pretty good, I think, in my opinion. The weather is starting to get a little wet again, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to best that. The course is going to start getting wet, so we'll see. But everyone's dry times are now cemented in, so my in my opinion, my superior rain time won't hold up. So. Scandinavian flick. +1, what'd I do? 59.9. Still a little slower also. Losing grip. Losing grip. I can feel the traction leaving the asphalt.
Track traction.
It's going down a bit. So I think that second run was gonna be our fastest. Alright guys, up for my last run. Let's see if I can best my last time. Really, we're going for no battles today, really. Just kind of going for raw. Me and Ben are actually pretty close to each other. But in the dry, we were close. He's on the RS RR. So in the rain, the RS Pro definitely has the advantage. I'll tell that to everyone. But now that's dry, we've kind of got really close to each other. So, but I'm kind of just going to see how high up the rankings I can get before the snow comes down too hard. Alright guys, so that ends autocross for the day. This is going to be the last autocross of the year. I ended up 12th place. We had that second run group go after, and it bumped me to 12th place. But it started snowing on them, so it started getting rain. So we got rain in the morning and then got dry in the afternoon. They got dry in the morning and they got rain in the afternoon. So they all had wet runs. What that means is the two cars that bumped me out actually got a misreading, it turns out, because they shaved about 5 or 6 seconds, and which is very improbable to do in wet conditions like that. So the timers are going to be fixed. I think officially I am 10th raw. That's the best I've done out of I think 50 to 60 cars today. So I've did really good. This car did really good. If it rained all day, I think I would have had a massive advantage over everyone. I think it would have like kept top position. But I think I'm still impressed with what me and this car did today. So anyway, guys, no battle today. Really a battle against the weather. Me and Ben actually were really close in time towards the end of the day, but it was kind of hard to meter that with me getting rain in the morning, he getting rain later. So it's kind of hard to just watch that stuff. So no battle today. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.